Hi, my name's Caitlin Deverell, and I'm going to sing Talking to the Moon by Bruno Mars. But before I do that, I just want you to know One Direction, I love you, and so do Selena Gomez. If you're watching, please subscribe. And my BFF just wanted you to know that you can find her on Twitter. It's Marissa Walsh, Murray, sorry, MURRAY, and it's MARISSA for Marissa. And I'm also on Twitter, so it's Caitlin Deverell, and that's spelled DEVERILL. And Marissa just wanted you to know that you can also find her on Facebook. That's Marissa Walsh, WALSH. So let's get started. What am I still doing? Right. I know someone out there, someone far away. Oh, you care. Oh, you care. My neighbors think I'm crazy, but they don't understand. You're a whole life. You're a whole life. And like when the stars light up, I sit by myself, talking to the moon, try to get to you. And hopes are on the other side, taking to me down, am I fool? Sits alone, talking to the moon. Oh, I'm feeling like I'm famous. The talk of the town, they have come back. Yeah, I have come back. But they don't know what I know, 'cause when the sun goes down, I'm talking back, and talking back. Oh, at night when the stars light up, I sit by myself, talking to them. Try to get to you. In hopes around the other side, talking to me through all my fool. Sit alone, talking to you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you soon.